So, are there any programs that can bulk convert HEIC to JPG or JPEG or PG? Go through this passage to know several paid and free batch HEIC to JPG converters now. Part 1. Use the best HEIC converter to batch convert HEIC to JPG. As the classic tool for HEIC image conversion, Mobican HEIC to JPG converter does well in converting iPhone, iPad, iPod photos from HEIC to JPG or JPEG or PG on both Windows and MacOS computers. How to mass convert HEIC to JPG with HEIC to JPG converter. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your computer. Step 2. Click Add HEIC to import the target HEIC files from your computer. You can also drag and drop the HEIC images to the interface directly. Step 3. Choose your desired HEIC photo to convert. Select the output format JPG, JPEG, or N. Check or uncheck Keep EXIF data and set the output path. Step 4. Click Convert to convert HEIC to JPG or JPEG or PG. After the conversion, click Show in Folder to view your photos. Part 2. Use the other 8 tools to bulk convert HEIC to JPG. 1. Amazing HEIC Converter. Amazing HEIC Converter is a tiny and truly free desktop app for PC and Mac, which allows you to convert Apple's new iOS images from HEIC to JPG or N. 2. A PowerSoft HEIC Converter, offering both online and offline solutions. A PowerSoft HEIC converter is proficient in changing HEIC images to JPEG. 3. Pixelian Image Converter. As a standout tool working on converting RAW and HEIC photos, Pixelian Image Converter can change 50 image formats into 20 most popular ones. 4. Copytrans HEIC. With Copytrans HEIC for Windows, you can change 100 images at a time, and it let you print your HEIC files after the conversion. 5. A Mobi HEIC Converter. A Mobi HEIC Converter can convert HEIC files to N or GIF online or offline for free. You can also use it to convert images contained a HEIC dynamic wallpaper into JPG files. 6. AOME Mapcupper. To convert HEIC to JPG, JPEG and on a Windows computer, you can give AOME Mapcupper a shot. Though it is often used for data backup, learn 10 best iPhone backup software. 7. Automator. If you just want to convert HEIC to JPG on a Mac computer, you can take a look at Automator. It can make changes to multiple files, such as changing the formats or file names, resizing images, or backing up important content. 8. Fulfillment. Fulfillment facilitates you to create, edit, sign PDF documents, as well as convert HEIC files to JPG. You can use it on MacOS X 10.12 or above, and Windows 10 8.7 X Vista.